Plenty of manufacturing industries use silver in their processes, which results in wastewater with silver content that may range from 80 to 2,000 milligrams per liter. For example, these include the electronics and jewelry industries, photography production, and the medical industry. All of those generate wastewater that may pose threats to the environment if not treated properly. The main challenge of silver-containing wastewater treatment is that a large portion of silver is contained in water by way of colloidal particles enclosed in a gelatinous shell. The gelatinous shell impedes the coagulation process, which greatly complicates the removal of silver from wastewater by separation. Some silver is contained in water by way of dissolved salts. If the concentration of silver ions is negligible, up to a few milligrams, it is unjustifiable to remove them by chemical methods. All of these reasons lead to the fact that up to 10 to 15 milligrams of silver per liter remain in the water discharged by enterprises. Specifically for such cases, GlobeCorp has developed an innovative technology to improve the efficiency of silver-containing wastewater treatment by means of AVS vortex layer devices. These devices use a rotating electromagnetic field and steel ferromagnetic particles that move along complex trajectories when exposed to this field and constantly collide with the operating chamber walls, with one another, and with the processed substance particles. At first, the process appears to be simple, but in the device's operating chamber, there occur intensive mixing and dispersion of constituents, as well as other phenomena that have a beneficial effect on wastewater treatment: high local pressure, water electrolysis, acoustic waves, and cavitation. The use of vortex layer devices during silver-containing wastewater treatment has a dual effect. Ionic silver is reduced by iron, which results from the milling yield of ferromagnetic particles, and by electrolysis. At the same time, the gelatinous shells on the metallic silver particles disintegrate, and their coagulation goes faster. Treating the wastewater of up to 5 cubic meters per hour in the AVS 100 vortex layer device allows increasing the silver removal through separation by 5 to 10 milligrams per liter. The vortex layer devices can be easily integrated into the existing wastewater treatment lines, replacing large dimension tanks and mechanical mixers. Wastewater treatment occurs in stream and lasts just a few seconds. Chemical reactions are more complete and intensive, and the actual devices are reliable in operation and serviceable for decades. Moreover, the use of vortex layer devices allows saving the electricity, because they consume much less power compared to conventional mechanical mixers, normally, not more than 10 kilowatts. In addition to the vortex layer devices, which are integrated into the existing wastewater treatment lines, these include the AVS 100 and AVS 150 models. GlobeCorp also develops containerized offline AVS-K wastewater treatment systems for silver removal. And what methods do you use for silver-containing wastewater treatment? Share your experience of using these methods in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCorp technology and equipment for silver-containing wastewater treatment can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website: www.globecorp.com.